It's me, Alvanda. Join me for a day in my life. Before we jump into one day in my current life, why don't we start a little bit earlier? Hello, my name is Alvanda. Many call me Panda. Tragically, I was born an Indonesian and still do live here in Indonesia, specifically Bekasi City, specifically Pondok Gede, with my parents and my younger brother. As I am the first daughter from a middle to low class family, you can say, I think, I have tons of dreams and desires and interests, especially when it comes to art. When I was so little, my parents exposed me to so many great songs, movies, and books. And that makes me who I am right now. Until one day, the time arrived when my parents asked me the question, setelah lulus SMA, kamu mau apa? They told me to be realistic and go for the money, just like any other parents, of course. But I thought, oh, how I want to study the thing that I really love the most. So I tried my best to find which study program that could open many doors to wealth, yet still fits me as an artsy person. So there, I chose English literature. For those who always ask, what do literature students actually do? This video is for you. My schedule for this semester is pretty different than my previous ones. Most of my classes in this semester start so much later in the morning, around like 10 o'clock at noon, or around 1 actually. Therefore, I got different routines also. Usually I wake up at 7 in the morning and either continue to sweep or mop the floor. Mama asks me to. Then I grab my towel and choose which clothes I want to wear for that day and which underwear fits it best. And of course, go to shower. It usually takes me 30 to 45 minutes in the bathroom for me to finish all the business, starting from hair, take a dump, then face and body. Oh, you can't forget deodorant also, can you? I usually get dressed as soon as I finished all my bathroom businesses and have my breakfast after that. All thanks to my mom, who still actively takes care of me. Now it's 8:30. I take a cup of water, grab my toothbrush and start cleaning my teeth. And I still have 15 minutes before 9, so I pack my things, make sure the class schedule in case there's any sudden change, put on my watch and my shoes, greet everyone in the house before going, and with mama or papi, to Pinang Ranti Bus Shelter I go. The trip from home to Pinang Ranti Bus Shelter usually takes 20 to 25 minutes approximately. As I arrived in Pinang Ranti Bus Shelter, I say goodbye and take Transjakarta bus. Around 9:45, I am already in uni. The most classes I take per day are 2 to 3 classes for the semester, so I usually finish at 5 p.m. As the long day is done, I tell my parents to pick me up in Pinang Ranti. At home, the first thing I do is to take off everything and put them back to where they belong. My helmet, my mask, my bag, my shoes and socks, my dirty clothes. I usually don't shower after a long exhausting day because it really takes so much energy. So I just wash my hands and my feet and my face and change into comfort clothes. And after that, I go for dinner and wash my dishes after. Now let's go to bed for a rest. While resting on my back, I usually still work by the phone. My notes and assignments on that day, schedule for the next day, and many unread messages are there to check. After everything is finished, I usually spend my time with my boyfriend via call until like 9:30 p.m. Before I go to sleep, I brush my teeth and charge my phone. And that is how I end my day. So now you know, a day in my life.